It's still on. Look at yourself. It's still on.
It works.
Smile, it's you.
Howdy! Hey, Bear Money, we found your camera. Jason!
You got it?
It's still on!
No. Thank you. I got it, Chase. It's still on. That's gonna be the baddest ass video ever. That's gonna be.
We own the rights to that, right?
Huh?
We own the rights to that, right?
Yeah, that's a Beer Money Chase Richardson production. Hold that for a second.
Wow. Yeah, I can't wait to see this. Look at that. Durability. That GoPro might want that for commercial.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, I got a little bit about that. Wasn't sure if it was something in the condition itself. The thing was that the camera didn't get directly into the run. And we were doing some thinking on that one and test some stuff out. MSG, electronic box into a MSG 44 mag Magneto. Fire on. All cylinder. Our line of freaking road will be up next. Followed by 2 years. And I ran that 20-liter range first.
Used to be a nice GoPro.
I have a warranty on them.
They might want it for commercial.
Best Buy said, what did Best Buy say? I said, you're going to sell me a warranty? Oh yeah, they're indestructible. I said, cool. I hooked one on a 2-wheel drive wheelie bar, and it hit it, and they came off. Bungard sled ran over it, kicked it out the back, and it was buried in the track, facing straight up. And I went down, and you can see me go like this. And it recorded all, just went dark as the sled ran over it. Oh. All right, back to the other end. I got it back.
I know, I see it still working. I dug it out.
Did you?
Still working.
That's awesome. Wait, just a little polish? Hey, Brent. Came off of Dave's. I had it on Dave Richardson's lawn.
Yeah, I saw that.
We got it back. They dug it out.
Yeah, we were taking good pictures over here with it.
Thank you.
It's over here like
Woo! Oh, shit! Hey, it's still recorded. You have to make a video. Don't.
Oh.
You have to make a video of this.
Okay.
Okay, and we gotta post it, okay?
Nice run for Ricky Rose. They need
Are you
it.
getting some whole shots?
I am.
They just lead one down.
Ready?
What happens when
The GoPro Unlimited falls off at Unlimited, foursome of David Richardson, and we have to dig it out of the track. But it still works.
She's still recording.
We're gonna get something from GoPro on this one.
Get sponsorship out of it.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Turn that one in.
Yeah.
I got one left.
You see this?
What do you have it attached to?
So one of the limiteds.
Yeah.
Yeah, and
We hooked them to the roll cage,
Yeah.
and then it fell off, and the
Nice,
sled
stop
ran
it.
over it. Huh? Yeah.
Okay.